Oh my gosh, affiliate marketing is dead. It's saturated. There's too much competition. Dude, I made like 20K last month. Did you know that affiliate marketing is the fastest growing form of online business right now in the e-com space? And it is worth up to $12 billion and growing every single day. And over 90% of all of your favorite e-commerce online brands are offering an affiliate program. What's going on, guys? I'm Josh Smith, aka the Dadtreprenewer. Welcome back to the channel where we help you create a lifestyle of wealth and freedom through online business, affiliate marketing, and fun side hustles. And in today's video, I'm going to be debunking the age-old question, is affiliate marketing still worth it in 2022? But before we do that, I'm gonna need you to hit that subscribe button, turn on the bell notifications, because you're not gonna wanna miss another video that I upload. So is affiliate marketing still worth it in 2022? If you go to the YouTube search bar and you start typing in it will show you right here that affiliate marketing, is it still worth it, is the #1 search question on YouTube. So today I'm going to answer that question for you, give my opinion on it, and frankly kind of guide you where to go and what to do next if you want to start affiliate marketing. But before we go any further, if you're brand new to this concept, let me start by defining what it is really quick. And affiliate marketing is simply promoting somebody else's products or services in exchange for a commission. So as an affiliate marketer, your only job is to promote or do the marketing for somebody else's business. And when somebody buys because of your promotion, that company will pay you commissions. So now that you know what affiliate marketing is, I think it's really important to understand kind of how affiliate marketing has worked in the past and where the landscape is right now in order to truly be able to answer the question, is affiliate marketing still worth it in 2022? So traditionally, affiliate marketing has been most well known and really famous for people going and finding these affiliate networks, which is basically just a website where people go and they put a whole bunch of products or services on there. And then they allow anybody, people like you and me, to come in to take their products or services and then run ads on Facebook or Google and drive traffic to those products or services through simple ads. And then when people click through, they buy the product, you get paid a commission. So a few years ago, it was all about running Facebook ads and running paid traffic as an affiliate marketer. And at the height of affiliate marketing, this is truly and still is how people are making really, really good money. But what's happened over the last couple of years, especially with the introduction of TikTok and their insane algorithm for short form vertical video content in the reach that it's been giving to people. So what happened was people stopped using Facebook ads because they realized they no longer need a big budget to be successful with affiliate marketing. They just need to be able to take out their smartphone and be able to film 5 to 15 second clips without them even talking, upload them to TikTok. The algorithm would show them love and it would drive hundreds of thousands, if not millions of views to a brand new channel. So marketing on a social media platform, doing promotion on a social media platform like TikTok is known as organic marketing. Facebook ads is paid traffic. TikTok is organic traffic. It's just a fancy way of saying free traffic. So you can see how this would be a very effective strategy for complete beginners to dive into affiliate marketing who maybe don't have a large budget or a large time commitment to be able to learn Facebook ads. Now they can jump on a platform like TikTok and they can partner with these companies over on ClickBank, grab an affiliate link, go out there, make some content on TikTok, start promoting and get tons of traffic to those offers and start making commissions fast. So now what you're seeing is all of these traditional affiliate marketers over here who have been running Facebook ads. Well, the cost in ads are now going up, okay? It's very competitive on ads. So with rising costs, more and more people are dropping off. And what happens is they only know one way of promoting, right? The traditional way through Facebook ads. So you're gonna hear a lot of these people saying, oh, affiliate marketing, it's not worth it in 2022. You know, you can't make any money with that anymore. It's so competitive. Everybody's doing it. But they're wrong. Here's why. Because with the rise in organic traffic, like we just talked about, it has never been easier for complete beginners to come online, to partner with companies and post 5 to 15 second long clips on TikTok and upload them. But you already know that. Here's what you really need to understand. With TikTok coming on the scene and being the most downloaded app and taking over YouTube for the most watch time, all of these other platforms like YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, they are fighting for your attention. They want you to come on these platforms and start creating. So now they have all introduced vertical video just like TikTok, and they're starting to perfect their algorithms just like TikTok. So now instead of running ads on YouTube or running ads on Facebook, you can go over to these platforms and you can start doing organic marketing, not spend a dime on ads, just upload your 5 to 15 second long clips on all of these networks. And now Facebook and Instagram, who are starving for your attention, who want to get you back from TikTok, they're gonna give you some love and you're gonna grow really quick and drive tons of views and tons of sales really, really quickly. This is super critical to understand, and it's very important, especially if you're thinking about, is affiliate marketing worth it in 2022? With all the social media platforms fighting for your attention and battling out to see who has the best organic reach, that means there has never been a better time for you to start posting organic content on a social media platform and grow. The time is now. That is why I truly believe that affiliate marketing is not only worth it in 2022, but is the absolute best way to start making money online, especially for beginners in 2022. So if you truly believe that affiliate marketing is still worth it in 2022 and you're ready to finally start that successful side hustle or finally make your first dollar online, or maybe you just need some extra streams of income in 2022, I'll leave a special link down in the description below that will show you the fastest way to get started with affiliate marketing right now. You're gonna learn the business model, and you're also going to have an opportunity to promote the best, hottest affiliate offer out there right now. And it's the exact same offer that I currently promote and that hundreds of others have promoted over the last couple of years to earn not only their first dollar online, but turn into 6-figure earners in a very short amount of time. So if that sounds like you and you're finally ready to see some success with affiliate marketing in 2022, go ahead and hit that special link down below right now. Make sure you like this video, make sure you're subscribed, turn on the bell notifications, and don't forget to leave me a comment letting me know what kind of content you want to see me make next. I'm out.